Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting room for you today. I am very excited. I have something new, totally different. I've never seen Duke's original recipe smoked shorty sausages. I saw these at Costco this week and I thought we'd give them a try. Just to do a little short video for you. Duke's freshly crafted smoked meats. By the way, have you subscribed? Love to have you come back if you like tasting videos like this. There you go, there's my plug. All right, so we have the pork raised, no hormone added, original recipe smoked shorty sausages made with classic blend of spices and freshly chopped herbs. If you're Martha Stewart, herbs. Or if you're an American, herbs. I don't know why we cut the H off. This says that they have 7 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of sugar. So if you're doing a keto or you're doing an Atkins, these are pretty good for you. Let's check it out here. It says real ingredients and better taste. I believe smoked meat should be made with real ingredients. Why? When you season and marinate fresh meats with whole, roasted, or diced ingredients from farms, not just dried spices, you get fresher homemade flavor. It's not the easiest way of doing things or the quickest, but you'll agree it's the taste that you'll agree you can taste the difference. Justin Duke Havlick, H-A-V-L-I-C-K, Havlick. There's Duke right there. Let's see Duke. There's Duke. Classic spices and herbs. This is a recipe that started it all. We began with a simple blend of classic spices before adding chopped green Italian parsley as opposed to that purple parsley. A touch of real roasted garlic to give these smoky shorties, registered trademark, sausages their authentic old world flavor. They are hickory hardwood smoked, fresh, never frozen pork, small batch case quantity of 67. It's like laser printed on there. And 2 links, which a link is this big. We'll show you that in a second. It says 2 links is 130 calories, less than 1 gram of carbs, 11 grams of fat. How much protein? 7 grams of protein. It has pork, less than 2% salt, chopped parsley, cane sugar, spices, vinegar, celery powder from celery powder and sea salt, roasted garlic, and a natural flavor made of beef collagen casing, caramel color, carmine. Duke's of Duke, Chicago, Illinois. Duke's Meats. Now you know all the stuff. All right, let's pop this open. So it does have a zip top here, and it doesn't have any tear marks, so you know what that means. Snip it, snip it. All right, I'll cut off, snip it, snip it. Try not to cut off Duke's head. Pop it open and, oh, whoa. That is very meaty. Let me see. There you go. Little sausages. So serving size is 2 of these little weenies. 2 weenies. It's about as long as my index finger. A little bit longer. All right. You're gonna laugh when I tell you this. This is what a Slim Jim wants to be. I got an itchy nose. This is what a Slim Jim wants to be in its next life. It has a bite to it, but you can see it has definite meat in there. Can you see that? By the way, have you ever wondered why people do this? It's so that the autofocus has a bigger focusing area, and so it can focus in on that. Maybe, instead of the background. All right. So, that's nice. It's easy to chew. It's not going to break your dentures. It's not mushy. It has a chew to it, a little bit of a bite. But when you bite through it, it actually gives. You don't have to get through that. Let's see. It's not super salty. Sometimes when I get jerky, now you guys know I love jerky. I got another jerky making video coming on. It's on the rocks. It just hasn't gotten there yet. And there's a little preview for you. More jerky coming, because I love jerky, and it's expensive to buy. I think this was about $12, $13, and it's 1 pound. So that's not too bad, but sometimes you get jerky and it's like $20 for a quarter pound, and you're like, what the hell? Anyway, I love jerky, and so this is a good substitute for that. I think I would definitely buy this again. I give this a 9, an 8 or a 9. It's got a good taste to it. I kind of feel like I want another one because it's that good. So here's the difference. If you're familiar with a Slim Jim, I have some friends that love Slim Jims, and I don't understand why. To me, it's like a casing, then you bite through and it snaps, and then it's like a bunch of hair with grease in the middle. I don't like that. This doesn't taste like that at all. This has a chew like sausage. You know, the little pieces in there. The casing is pretty soft. And again, it's not real salty. It's very meaty. It has light spices, and you can taste the garlic a little bit, but it's not kicking your butt. Yeah. All right. Here you go. This is Duke's original recipe. Shorty sausages with no nitrates, right there. I really like this. I give this a thumbs up, and I would come back for more. All right. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Come on back for more. Hit the bell, subscribe, all the YouTube things you're supposed to do. Love to have you come back. If you did like it, hit a thumbs down. Let me know. And tell me why I didn't like the video. I'd like to see you guys again. All right, more coming up, including jerky. Talk to you guys later.